Okay, so Tesla stock is approaching its climax, the next resistance level at 177. This key point is Tesla's most problematic resistance area, and only if we break through it, we will resume the bullish sentiment and seek much higher levels. Now, two questions. One, how far could Tesla fly if it breaks this $177 resistance? And two, what are Tesla's chances of breaking this resistance line? Well, I will do my best to answer those questions in this video. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and I'm sure you are going to find this video interesting, at least interesting. Even if you do not agree with the main idea, you will find it interesting because I'm just presenting evidence, facts and data to you in this video. Alright, so let's start our analysis looking at the daily chart over here. What's going on the daily chart? Tesla is bullish, okay? It is bullish. Why it is bullish? Because we are now doing higher highs, higher lows. We found a support level over here. We triggered a bottom signal above the previous bottom level, and right now we are on the verge of doing a new high again, indicating that yes, Tesla is still in a bull trend. What's more, we are above the 21 EMA, and this EMA is now starting to point upwards. So yes, Tesla is in bullish territory right now on the daily chart. We are in a bullish momentum over here. The trend is bullish, and in theory we are supposed to seek the 177 resistance area. Now, on the 1 hour chart, Tesla is not bullish. Tesla is insanely bullish right now because we clearly found a support level at 165 over here. As seen by these red lines over here, the 165 is a crystal clear key point on Tesla, a very meaningful key point, and we did trigger a bullish pivot point over here yesterday. Now we are just bullish, we are just going up, we are above the previous high, we are above the 21 EMA. The 21 EMA is clearly pointing upwards right now. So in theory, if Tesla corrects, okay, we do have two support levels that could possibly hold Tesla if it starts doing a correction. The first is, of course, the 21 EMA again. Second, if we lose this EMA, we could drop to the 169 support area, previously top level over here on May 16, and this is it. Any bullish signal either around the EMA or either around the 169 over here could be just another buy signal on Tesla stock, short-term speaking, all right? Because this way you are going to buy Tesla near a support level, near a short-term support level, meaning the risk-reward ratio is going to be quite good for you, and you are buying while it is still in a bull trend. So everything here makes sense. Now, Nathan, what could possibly make Tesla to frustrate this bullish sentiment you are describing right now? If Tesla does a lower high, lower low, right? This is going to be very problematic. If it does lower highs, lower lows, starts to lose the previous support levels like the EMA, like this 169, then okay, Tesla is going to reverse the bullish sentiment, short-term speaking, on the 1 hour chart, and this could, of course, frustrate the bullish bias on the daily chart as well. But honestly, in my humble opinion, as a retail trader, Tesla is going to frustrate the bullish sentiment only, mid-term speaking, only if we lose the 165. All right, the 165 is the most important support level on the daily chart over here. You know what is even more important than the 165 is to follow me on Instagram, because I'm sharing very nice and interesting stuff over there. So seriously guys, I think you guys are going to enjoy my Instagram account. Follow me over there at the Finance Hydra. All right, so now let's get back to Tesla's chart over. No. Let's talk about the S&P right now. Because Tesla is going up, Tesla is trying to reverse. However, in order for Tesla to actually resume the bullish sentiment, in order for Tesla to actually break the 177, we gotta see the indices like the S&P, like the Nasdaq breaking their resistance levels as well. What's the next technical resistance level on the S&P? 41.95, this black line over here. We gotta see the S&P breaking this black line in order to truly reverse the trend over here, because right now, okay, we are rallying. It feels like we are inside an ascending triangle chart pattern over here on the weekly chart. Either way, we gotta break 41.95, this resistance level over here. Only then I do believe that, okay, now the S&P is indeed killing the bear market over here, the bear market from 2022, right? We are really killing this bear market, and right now we are supposed to go up to seek higher levels. The Nasdaq index is clearly bullish right now at this moment. However, we just reached a very problematic resistance level, this blue line at 13.7K. If we look at the weekly chart over here, this key point was a previous top level on August 2022. And we are doing a massive bullish candlestick pattern this week, which some people may say that this is an exhaustion bar, indicating, as the name suggests, exhaustion. So this is particularly problematic. What's more, I do work with a few signals, right? Automated signals. And I have a particularly powerful signal, which has roughly 87% win ratio. And this signal is on SPY. Today, this signal triggered a sell order on SPY. Today. And again, this signal is particularly powerful. It has 87% win ratio. It is a very problematic sign. Of course, price action wise, we don't see any top signal yet. The indices, they seem just fine right now. The S&P is doing a bullish candlestick pattern today. Nasdaq, the same thing. We don't see top signals yet, but if we see a top signal on the indices, and the fact that my personal trading signal on SPY gave me a sell signal today, this is particularly problematic. This makes me worried about the market right now. If we see the indices correcting, probably, then how this is going to affect Tesla? Well, it is going to delay the breakout of the 177 area. And if we see a sharper pullback than expected, it could potentially frustrate the bullish thesis over here, making Tesla to lose the 165. Remember, only by losing 165, Tesla is going to reject the bullish thesis over here. But the fact that the indices are trading in particularly dangerous areas right now, we should pay extra attention on how Tesla is going to behave from here. Oh, and by the way, I have amazing news for you guys. I have devised a method to synchronize my personal alerts and trading signals with my Telegram channel. I will test with my subscribers, and soon I will open this channel to the community. All right, I'm very excited about this. This is going to add an immense value to my services to you guys, so I firmly believe you are going to enjoy what I have to offer right now. So, okay, now let's get back to Tesla. Let's analyze the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, we see a positive week, right? We are doing a good bullish candlestick pattern over here. What's the problem? The problem is that Tesla is still under the 21 MA on the weekly chart. Tesla is still inside this descending channel over here. So, guys, long-term speaking, looking at the weekly chart, Tesla is still bearish. What could make Tesla to fly to much higher levels? I told you guys Tesla could fly to much higher levels. What would be the trigger signal? 177. By breaking 177 on the daily chart, Tesla is going to probably retest the higher level of this descending channel, meaning we could easily retest this purple trend line again, getting close to $190, probably above this area over here, quite close to the $200 area. So we have decent chances of breaking the 177, retesting higher levels. However, we gotta wait for confirmation, okay? If Tesla hits the 193 over here, we are talking about roughly 9% upside potential. So Tesla is looking quite good right now. We just gotta pay attention to some important signals the broad market is giving us. I mean, the S&P, the Nasdaq, they're all already near their resistance levels as well. If we see a pullback, okay, maybe we could see a pullback. As long as Tesla remains above 165, this is not going to ruin our bullish thesis over here. So be aware of the next resistance levels. Of course, that I will keep you guys updated every single day on this channel. Therefore, if you are not my subscriber yet, consider subscribing to keep in touch with my daily analysis, daily insights on Tesla and on other stocks as well. Thank you very much for your audience, my dear friends. Stay safe. See you guys tomorrow.